Welcome! In front of me I have a CMF by Nothing Watch Pro, and I'm gonna show you how to pair this watch with the Android phone. First we need to turn on our watch, and you can turn it on by pressing and holding the side button. Keep holding the button until you see the CMF logo on the screen. Once you see the logo, you can release the button and wait until the watch is done booting up. And once the watch boots up, you will see the list of languages on the screen. You can scroll through this list by swiping on the screen, find the language you would like to use, select it, and then tap on the check mark to confirm. As you can see, now we need to pair our watch with a phone, and to do that we need to download and install the CMF watch application. You can do it by scanning the QR code or simply opening the Play Store or App Store on your phone and use it to download the app. I'm gonna use the App Store, but you can also scan the QR code if you want to. So, to download the app, you will need to have an internet connection and Bluetooth enabled. Once you do, open the App Store or scan the QR code, and the App Store, tap on search, and tap on the search bar and type in CMF watch. And tap on search, and you should see this application on the list, CMF watch by Nothing Technology. Tap on it, tap on install. And once the application is done installing, tap on open. And now we need to log in into an account. If you don't have an account, you can always make a new one by tapping on register right here, or you can use the Google account to log in. I believe I already have an account, so I'm gonna enter the email address and password. Okay, looks like I entered them correctly. And after you log in, you will see the home page of the app, as you can see. And now we need to tap on device icon, tap on add device, allow the permission, allow this one, allow this one. This one is not required, but you can allow it if you want to basically track your signs, vital signs. And then you will see this pop-up, tap on confirm, and the app should detect your watch. If it doesn't, you can always try to scan the QR code by tapping right here, tapping confirm, allow the permission, and then you can scan the QR code from the watch. And if the app detects your watch, tap on it. Here tap on the check mark to confirm on the watch. Then we can tap on try it out, and you should see a device page, and on it there should be your CMF Watch Pro. If you see this pop-up, tap on pair, tap on the check mark. As you can see, we have more pop-ups about the permissions, for example for the messages. This is useful if you want to see the notifications from the phone on your watch about the messages and stuff like that. Right now it's syncing the GPS data. Okay, and it should be done at the moment, so we can wake up the screen on our watch. It should be ready to use, and it should be in the app right here, which means that the devices are paired together. And that's how you pair this watch with the Android phone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.